25 interesting facts about the brain. Psychology and the mind. 1. It can store an estimated 2,500,000 gigabytes. 2. The human attention span is shorter than a goldfish. 3. The average weight of the adult human brain is 3 pounds. 4. Memories are stored for both short-term and long-term use at the same time. 5. Vitamin B1 can help improve short and long-term memory. 6. Easy access to information can make it harder to remember. 7. Memories start forming in the womb. 8. It uses 20% of the body's total oxygen and energy. 9. It's composed of 73% water. 10. Sweating can temporarily shrink the brain. 11. 5 minutes without oxygen can cause brain damage. 12. It generates 12 to 15 watts of electricity. 13. Neurons travel 150 miles per hour in the brain. 14. Those who take a quiz twice are 65% more likely to remember the facts. 15. Learning new things increases gray matter in the brain. 16. Memory is prioritized by emotion. 17. Emotions can alter our brain chemistry. 18. It has an average of 50,000 to 70,000 thoughts a day. 19. More than 100,000 chemical reactions take place in the brain every second. 20. When intoxicated, it can't form memories. 21. Practicing recollection can help PTSD. 22. Its texture and consistency is comparable to tofu. 23. It starts slowing at around 24 years old. 25. The brain itself cannot feel pain.